Hello friends, I am Khotsre sir from Guruvarya Dadoji Konddev Sainik School Tasgaon. Today we are going to learn about some more usages from the topic spotting errors, which will be helpful for the students who are trying for UPSC written exam for the subject English. So let's see some usages. Do the needful is incorrect. Write do what is necessary. So do what is necessary is a correct construction, correct usage. Never say family members. Say members of the family. His family members have gone to Bombay is a wrong construction. See what is correct one. The members of his family have gone to Bombay. Else is always followed by but and never by then. Else के बाद but यूज करना है, then यूज नहीं करना है. For example, it is nothing else but your pride which makes you say such a thing. All of is used in conversation, not in standard written English. She gave all of her antiques to the museum. This is a wrong construction. All of नहीं यूज करना है, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन में यूज किया जाता है, रिटन स्टैंडर्ड रिटन इंग्लिश में नहीं यूज किया जाता. So see the right construction. She gave all her antiques to the museum. Talking terms is wrong. Use speaking terms. He is not on talking terms with his brother. ये wrong है, तो सही क्या है देखिए. He is not on speaking terms with his brother. Verbs which are not followed by any preposition. Verbs like resemble, recommend, comprise, order, accompany, reach, join, share, attack, emphasize, discuss, fear, succeed, resist, request, wit, benefit, afford, etc. are not followed by any preposition when used in the active voice. See the example. He emphasized on the need for discipline. This is the wrong sentence. See the correct one. He emphasized the need for discipline. Emphasized के बाद preposition on use नहीं करना है. So the first sentence is wrong one, second is correct one. See one more example. She will accompany with you to Madras. With use किया है, ये wrong है. See the correct one. She will accompany you to Madras. So the verbs which we have seen, इन verbs के बाद preposition use नहीं करना है. Type of, sort of, kind of. The phrase type of, sort of and kind of do not follow a or an. इसके बाद a या an, a articles नहीं आते. What kind of a friend are you? This is a wrong construction. See the right one. What kind of friend are you? This is right construction. A full hour number follows o'clock, but in fraction it does not follow. He left this place by 10:40 o'clock. 10:40 o'clock ऐसा यूज़ नहीं करना है. See the right construction. He left this place by 10:40. 10:40 के बाद o'clock नहीं यूज़ करना है. अगर बस 10 है तो 10 o'clock या 11 o'clock. Yet and still o'clock हमने अभी देखा. इसके बाद 9th है yet and still. Yet means up to the present time, something that has not happened. His brothers are not married even yet. अभी तक ऐसा बोलना है तो yet यूज़ करना है. His brothers are not married even yet. अभी हमने o'clock का देखा है. इसके बाद yet and still हमने देखा. I hope the end is not yet. अभी तक ऐसा बताना है. Still means that a situation, state or action which began at an earlier time has continued right up to the present. Still means अभी तक शुरू है वो. Began पहले शुरू हो चुकी है, अभी तक शुरू है. I still do not understand. अभी तक मैं उसे समझ नहीं पाया. Still अभी तक. And but difference देखिए. And joins to clauses of the same nature but joins to antithetical clauses of quite opposite meaning. Same nature है तो and यूज़ करना चाहिए. Opposite nature है तो but यूज़ करना चाहिए. See the example. It was lovely and warm outside. And यूज़ किया है. It was a long walk but it was worth it. अपोजिट आइडियाज है इसलिए but यूज़ किया है. लॉन्ग वॉक है लेकिन वर्थ है. Hardly and scarcely. Hardly refers to degree while scarcely refers to quantity. See the example. I hardly see how I can finish this work. I have scarcely enough money for my own needs. So in the first sentence we see the degree. In the second sentence we see the quantity. So that is the difference between hardly and scarcely. It's a slight difference. Words like divide and share are followed by between when we use several singular nouns. I divided my time between teaching, writing and delivering lecture. I shared his property between his wife, his son and his daughter. So these words divide and share, they are followed by between when we use several singular nouns. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में टीचिंग, राइटिंग, डिलीवरिंग लेक्चर्स है. सेकंड सेंटेंस में हिज वाइफ, हिज सन एंड हिज डॉटर है, इसलिए बिटवीन यूज किया है. फॉर द वर्ड्स, फॉर द वर्ब्स डिवाइड एंड शेयर. In relative sentences, any is usually followed by that, not by which or who. any के बाद that आता है. any के बाद who या which नहीं आता है. borrow any book that interests you. Since is used as an adverb, as a preposition and also as a conjunction. Since adverb भी है, preposition भी है और conjunction भी है. See the uses, see the examples. I met Raj last Tuesday but have not seen him since. Here it acts as a adverb. Ajay has eaten nothing since yesterday. Here it is preposition. What have you done since we last met? Here it is conjunction. So since is used as adverb, as a preposition, and also as a conjunction. So in this way we finish this topic here. Thank you.